It's finally happening! We're out here. Install party. What's up, y'all? Look what I got! Woo! I got a big boy. We're gonna do this. I just did this wrap. Crazy, I'm not done yet. Black bumper, and then it's gonna be black. So we're gonna do this, right, man? I've been waiting 2 years plus 2, 4. Technically 4 years. 4 years! Stage 2, stage 2, stage 2, stage 2! Alright, let's get working. We finally did it! It took like an hour to get it out. But I didn't listen. He's right, I didn't listen. What?
I have no pipe. I'm done punching things.
Here you go, baby. Let's go. Here we go. Huh? Everything's tight. Everything's done. Here we go, yo. Oh, shoot. I'm terrified. This is how we do it right here, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Yo, the downpipe is on. It's good. Good airflow. Sounds great. I like it. I'm excited. It sounds great. Taking the OEM downpipe was a pain, but we did it. Good help from my good people, MQB. Thank you so much. You guys stay safe, drive safe, enjoy. We're gonna Jesse J's, eat some good food. I'll see y'all later. Peace.